Yan guys, last pick today. Ano lang tayo, tatlo, pero na-checkin ko na yung wasyan. So Chris Hill, wasyan, at itong Shilling. Sa wakas naka-check in na din. Trail run natin guys, galing sa Pinche Road, Panling hanggang dito. Okay, may try ko guys, Shilling. Sa wakas nakaabot din. Yan guys, try go na Shilling. So 9:40 guys, narating natin ang Shilling. Try go. Ay, sa wakat nakaabot din. Wala na akong energy. Yan guys, so ang view guys is Shinshin, China. Yan guys. Yan ang try ko guys. So yes, congrats, nag trail run pa. Salamat, thank you.